Hello, welcome to lesson 4B for your electronics course with the Arduino Starter Kit. Today we are doing a little bit of a test review, a little bit of studying, and a little bit of work like that, a little more paperwork, a little more theoretical stuff, because coming up you have a test. So, things you need to do today, you need to finish the booklet. That's going to be very easy. That's going to take you a couple of minutes. It's not as much bookwork as before, but then once you finish the booklet and write, you're going to need a picture of that, so you're going to submit that with the assignment later. Then you're going to write 5 questions and answers for project, sorry, there's a mistake there, for project 3 and 4. So when you get to your Arduino Starter Kit booklet, you're going to go back to project, because I wrote questions for 1 and 2. You are going to write 5 questions on this, so you have to pretend you're a teacher. I think, what would I ask? What's a good question? Maybe make them get harder as they go along. So 5 questions on the Love-O-Meter project, anything you want. You could start with some really basic ones and slowly build up with answers. You can write it on paper or submit it electronically. And for project 4, the color mixing lamp, you are also going to need to write 5 questions on the color mixing lamp. Maybe you can have questions about pulse width modulation. Maybe you have about different components that we used in it. Whatever you think's good. 5 questions with answers. That's your second part, right? So finish the booklet. What do I mean by that? What I mean is you've done this page already. You've submitted. You've done all these questions you've submitted. Now you need to draw these. Explain how this would work. This is more back on the earlier projects. Explain how this one would turn on. Tell me what project you think this is. Explain the flow of electricity through there. Kind of step by step by step by step. Same here, like step, it would go here. The electricity would go there. The electricity would go there. The electricity would go there. The circuit is complete. And define what these symbols mean, and you can find that in your booklet. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to finish that booklet and submit that. So that's the booklet. Then you'll write 5 questions on projects 3 and 4. Pardon me putting 5 there. So that's going to be 10 questions and answers in total. You're going to take pictures or submit those electronically as well. And then you are going to study everything that you've done so far. You're going to study this booklet and your questions, and you're going to study for the test, because the test is the next big thing we're going to do. And if you are done, keep busy. You can read ahead. You can look back. One thing you could do is actually go back through the channels that we've looked at. If you look at our Russian friend and our British friend and our Arduino Starter Kit Arduino channel of 2020 here, you could go back and watch the old projects for them. You could kind of scroll through YouTube and look at those things. There's always something that you can be learning. There's no end to what you can learn to do with these and how you can customize them. So that's what you need to do. You've got lots to do. The booklet, submit a picture of that. Your questions and answers for 3 and 4 projects, 10 total. Study for the test, and the test is coming up. Submit everything to assignment 4B on the classroom or however we are submitting work. And we'll see you soon. Good luck with the test. Yeah, take care.